Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Madalena Agustin with NPM 244122025, class AKT 24A. We will be present the material formulir. Definition formulir. According to Mulyadi, a form is a piece of paper that contains page to be filled in. This definition was created before computer became widespread in business. Today, form can be physical paper or electronic forms displayed on computer screens to capture data for processing. Electronic forms provide many benefits such as unlimited availability without running out of forms, always up to date, avoiding obsolescence, avoid inefficiency in form use, prevent incorrect or invalid form use, fast data entry process, single time data capture, no floating or lost data, ease of management and control. Benefits of using forms. Forms play a vital role in accounting information system. They are used to establish responsibility for business transaction, record business transaction data systematically, reduce errors by documenting all events in writing, convey essential information within or between organizations clearly and formally. Classification of forms by source. Forms created and stored internally. Example, purchase request letters, credit memos, debit memo, time cards, warehouse goods requisition, and essentials. Forms created and sent to external parties. Example, cash sales invoice, credit sales invoice, purchase orders, price quotation, request, cash disbursement, evidence, sales orders. Forms received from external parties. Example, purchase invoice, purchase order from buyers, creditor receivable, statements, bank statements. Purpose of form. Request form used to ask to certain action such as material requisition form, price quotation request, debit or credit memo. Record forms used to document action already taken such as sales invoice, purchase invoice, time cards, bills of lading, account receivable statements. Basic principles of designing forms. Use multi-part forms or copies where possible. Avoid duplication during data collection. Design forms as simple and concise as possible. Include internal checks such as verification files, including company name and address on forms used for external communication. Assign clear form names for easy identification, number form for identification and control. Use margin lines for weight forms to miniaturize spread goods lines on forms filed by hand. Include print serial number for tracking. Design curtain forms to require simple response to speed filling. Use carbons, copy paper or multi-copy carbon paper for duplicates. Organize from errors logical in blocks of related information. When to use forms. Recording an event is mandatory. Information needs to be recorded repetitively, efficiently. Related information needs to be concealed for quick check-in. Responsibility for transaction accounts need to be assigned. Types of accounting documents. Source documents. Basis for recording in journal or subsidiary ledgers. Invoice receipts. Supporting documents. A company source document to valid record transaction. Conclusion. Formulier are essential component of the accounting information system, serving as the primary tools to accurately capture, record, and communicate business transaction data. They ensure clear assessment of responsibility, minimize errors, and streamline data processing through well-designed structure based on principles of simplicity, completeness, and internal control. The transition from paper to electronic forms has significant improved efficiency, accuracy, and data management, supporting timely financial reporting and regulator compliance matter in designer and utilizing form in fundamental for ensuring data integrity and operating effectiveness in any organization accounting process. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.